In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off personalized recommendations in the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up App Store and then tap at your profile icon. That's where you can easily find personalized recommendations. You can just get into it, and on that step, in order to turn off personalized recommendations, just hit where it says clear app usage data, just like that. Then it says that clearing will remove app usage data used for personalization on this device. Hit at clear app usage data, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.